Would you like to take a month off, maybe 2, even 3 months off away from your business, knowing that when you return, it's going to be running equally as well or even better than before you left? Now you might be saying, 3 months, John, I couldn't take 3 weeks, let alone 3 days away from my business before it imploded. So what I want to share with you, because it's been possible for a number of the clients that we've been working with, that if it's possible for other business owners to take 3 months off away from their business and come back having the business run equally as well, then it's possible for you. Maybe it's just a matter of how. Now, one of the things that we love to do with our business owners is run them through a step-by-step process. Now, if you're familiar with the Business Mountain that we work with at ProTrade United, or if you're not, I just want to let you know, green level on our mountain is what we call space. And space is where you have a profitable business and you also have a profitable time component, because we have different currencies, financial currency and time currency. How would you love to have both? And it is possible, but it requires a step-by-step process. Obviously, it needs to have you have a business operate without you being on the tools and the team being able to deliver consistently a 5-star level without you being there. And that's what we call our yellow level. It also needs you to have a business that wins the work or attracts the opportunities, prices it profitably, and delivers on it without you being there as well. And also, it requires you to have a good financial understanding of your business, have clear, concise, regular reporting, books up to date consistently, and an ability for you to check in on how the team is performing whilst you're not there. They're just a snapshot of a few things. But what I want to share with you is you don't just go from 0 to 3 months in one go. You've got to start off with little test phases along the way. It's about taking a long weekend. It's about taking 3 or 4 days off at a time. It's about taking a week off, then 2 weeks, then 3 weeks, maybe a month. And each time coming back and reviewing what worked, what didn't work, and what were the gaps or what was missing that, if was in place, would have made the difference. I'd like you to think long term with this. If you set yourself a goal to say in 12 months' time, I'd like to take a month off, 6 weeks off, you've got something to work towards. That's what the Business Mountain here is all about. We'd start off by having a look at getting your red level in place, which is all about your numbers. We'd make sure orange is in place to make sure you've got consistency of quality workflow in the schedule, and that without you being there, the team can still have you deliver on that. Then we look at what we call yellow level, which is about your pricing, your procedures, and making sure that your team are delivering consistently with a great product outcome for you as well. Then you're ready to explore. So that's a journey, that's ahead. But what I want to say again is, if it's possible for other business owners, it's possible for you. It's just about methodically working through those steps. We'd love to support you on that journey. If you haven't had a chance to read the Business Mountain Handbook or even check in on how you're performing at those different levels, click on the link below. It'll take you to a short questionnaire that will give you a report and also an indication of what could be the next best steps for you to create that business at green level, which is giving you the time and the profitability back and the rewards that you truly deserve as a business owner. All the best, and we'd love to support you along the way.